if you have enough means to go study abroad, you probably do not choose Africa because of this, right? African youth do not innovate enough because of education. The problem in itself is not education, because 1 + 1 = 2, no matter what country you are in, but rather how to access education or how it is taught or organized. It is for this reason that Africa Edu is changing the way education can be provided, and we are convinced that the African solution is artificial intelligence. Let the machine learning teach you. Through the different technological product, web RTC website, machine learning, IoT, virtual reality, we intend to collaborate with hundreds of African schools and universities to make this dream come true, mainly with the UNICEF and Africa Edu collaboration, BB and Africa Edu, to be able to integrate effective people verification. This is how we launch a fundraising campaign and inform any investor or company that we are open to collaborations and potential investments. You can contact us at the email below.